Gunjan from GoEmerald. For the last 15 years, I've personally delivered high ROI transformations and innovations for 28 clients in 9 different industries. So that's basically consultant speak for anytime there's a complex business problem coming in, using strategy, data, and technology to solve it in such a way that the results are visible, measurable, and then repeatable. Right? And last year, I founded Transform This, which is the platform for hosting sessions like this to bring business people together from all over the world. Right? So the whole idea is to bring different perspectives, different type of thinkings together, because a lot of the problems, the underlying piece that's the root cause for those problems is quite similar. So we can learn from each other, and you see that chart at the bottom, the boxy looking chart. We'll dive into that a little bit more later, but that's the visual representation of that. So today we're diving further into DataDriven CSuite, right? As you can see, it says Part-2. So when we met for Part 1, we talked about what does it look like to be a C-suite person in the pandemic world, right? What information would help them? Because Danny, as you were saying earlier, intuition just doesn't help you anymore, right? You can't just rely on experience anymore. You need the data because everything keeps on changing. But even beyond that, for growth, you need to go past the experience that your people on the team already have, right? You need to think broader than that. Because you need to find data. You need to enable the existing teams and work with them to broaden the company goals, the business goals, the customer journeys and customer goals. To get us started, I have put together these 3 questions that you see on the slide here, right? And you can see my favorite quote from the Harvard Business Review at the top there as well, which says executives complain that data science doesn't provide the guidance that they hoped for, right? So that's the problem that we're trying to solve for. And these are kind of the 3 questions that just help me guide the conversation. So